I'm going to make all natural organic soap. So this is how it's done. I'm going to start adding the oils. Okay, cameraman, focus in on what I'm doing here. We add in our olive oil. Try to get every drop. And I'm adding it to the sodium hydroxide mixture that I made earlier. And here's my palm oil. I'm going to add the palm oil. So try to get every little bit because you measured it very carefully. So we put that in. Then we get the coconut oil and add that in. See that? Oh, how nice. So we've got all of our oils going into our sodium hydroxide. All natural, all organic. These are oils that you can use in the kitchen for cooking. If you can cook it, you can use it on your body. So it's healthy and it's clean and natural. Now, we take our stand-up mixer. This one, not the same one I use for my baking. I keep those separate. And you start it on a low setting. It's going to make a lot of noise now. Mix for about 1 minute. Keep mixing until you start to see it emulsify. It has to start becoming one smooth, creamy color, and you want to start to see it take shape. So very, very thorough, steady. Don't go too fast. But you're going to start to feel it become like a cake batter. So you keep mixing for about 1 minute. Here I'm on high speed. I'm speeding up the process. Nice and creamy. Now look at that. You can see it's starting to look like a cake batter. So at this point I'm going to add in my essential oil. I'm using lemongrass, which is a very lovely scent and nice for the summer. It will keep the bugs away. And it's by doTERRA. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in, and once I do, it's going to really accelerate the curing process, and it will become much thicker very quickly. At this point, it's becoming quite thick. Look at that. Now the final step, I'm going to add in some green tea. That's going to be my exfoliant. It will take off all the dead, rough skin cells on your body and your face, and your skin will feel luxurious. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Okay. Okay, now we're at a point where we need to fill our soap molds, and this has to be done very quickly because now we can already see it starting to solidify partially. So let's start pouring that in as much as we can. We pour it in and make it nice and full in our soap molds. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Trying to get as much of it out as possible. I still have plenty left, so some of it will go in another set of molds, but let's just get this done first. And because we want everything to be really thorough and smooth with no air bubbles, I'm going to put this quickly on the vibrator, not that kind of vibrator, one for mixing soap and models, and it will get rid of all the air bubbles. Then we'll have a really nice, beautiful soap with a gorgeous imprint. Okay, we go like that, and we put it on here like that. There. So you want to just smooth that out. You might even see a few air bubbles come to the surface as we're doing this. I'll put the extra in these other soap molds, and that's how soap is made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just allow 2 weeks for your soaps to cure in a nice insulated container like a cooler, but don't keep it cold, and then they'll be ready to use. Hope you enjoy.